I have two cameras going today. I'm very sophisticated. Hi guys, welcome back. In today's video, it is the long promised lash care video tutorial. If you want to learn all my secrets and spells, then just hang out. Okay, so I love lashes. It's no secret. The ones I'm wearing today are ridiculous. They're outrageous. They're about this long. Wearing false lashes is up to you. I think that it elevates a look, especially if you're going for something maybe a little bit more special or maybe a little bit more drama, especially for evening or just anytime you feel like it. You don't really need a special occasion to wear lashes, but you know, whatever. There's all different kinds of lashes, and lashes range in price from like under $5 for a pair to up to way more than that if you're gonna get real mink lashes or
bespoke handcrafted lashes.
Anyways, my favorites, where's the container? I'm always trying new ones, and some are better than others. Once you find the shape and style that suits your face, you can get a lot of wears out of those lashes if you take care of them. So in today's video, I'm gonna show you how I take care of my lashes. My favorites are by Ardell. I really love the 3D Foam Ink number 858, especially. There's a couple other styles that I really like. These ones are like $6.99 a pair or something like that. I end up wearing these like 20 times at least. And you can too if you take care of your lashes properly. So what you're gonna need today is maybe some cotton rounds, a clean spoolie, and also if you can find a comb, like a lash comb. This is a metal lash comb. They also make them in like plastics. You really want that like super fine, almost like a flea comb. You guys know what I'm talking about, because this is gonna help us comb through the lashes to get all the little bits of mascara and glue out. This is a nice fluffy spoolie. This is by Velour, this tool. I'm gonna link everything down below, but this is like an all-in-one kind of tool by Velour. I picked this up at Ulta Beauty. You can use a micellar water or an eye makeup remover, anything that you would typically use to remove mascara or eyeliner or eyelash glue is gonna work for this. The product that I am loving, that I'm like super obsessed with ever since I found it, is also by Velour. This is Lash Clean. So what's in here? Magic? Spells? I don't know. It does say that it's vegan, and yeah, it's liquid. I suspect it's some kind of like micellar something. You open it like this, you can dispense it onto a cotton round or a Q-tip. If this is your Lash Clean and you're only ever gonna use it to clean lashes that you wear on your own eyes, you can do whatever you want with this. That's kind of how I treat this. You can stick the spoolie through the hole to wet it so that you don't waste any, or you could just pour some out into a very small container so you can dip your spoolie in it. That helps. I have two cameras going today, very sophisticated. I'm talking to you, but I'm also recording my little table here. It's a terrible angle, but you know what? Okay. Whatever, it's fine. I've got 3 pairs of dirty lashes here. 2 of them are Ardell Foam Inks and another one is from Estate. I wanted to make sure to show you the difference between an Invisiband eyelash or like a regular dark band lash. Some people say that the Invisibands aren't as strong as the other lashes. That's not true. That's not true at all. As long as you are gentle with your lashes, they will last. So step 1, here, let me just show you how disgusting and crusty this lash is. Do you see how dirty she is? Mine probably get extra dirty because of the way that I put them on. I put glue on my lashes and on my eyelid so that the glue sticks to the glue and it's like bulletproof. I have a whole video about it. Click this up here so you can see how I do. It's an old video, but it's still really good. So what we're gonna do first is try to remove the glue from the lash, and you can just pull it off. If you're concerned about it, you could soften it by putting a little bit of the solution on the glue that will weaken it. Tug off the glue, and then you can just like roll it off of your fingers like a booger. You know, you're literally just gently pulling the glue off. Now, there have been times where I'm doing this and the lashes just fall apart in my hands. It's because maybe I got a little impatient or tugged a little too hard. Just using your fingers to pull the glue off first will get a lot of it off. See? they already look a lot better. But once you turn them over and look, you can see like some of the little lashes are kind of stuck together where they've gotten some glue or mascara on them, and that's what we're gonna try to clean off today. First, I'm gonna take my little cotton pad and my solution, get it nice and damp, press your lash onto that damp pad. That's gonna help loosen that mascara and glue that's on there. Then you take your little lash comb, gently comb your lashes. Here you can see that there's definitely some mascara and stuff that came off of those lashes. I mean, you just press them on there, then it will loosen all of that makeup to get it to come off. You can just use your fingers too to just kind of just rub it off. What I like to do is use my little fingers. I lay the lash right on top like so. And here I have dipped my spoolie into the solution and I'm using it to brush my lashes. And because I've got my finger underneath, it's gonna help keep them nice and round so you don't brush the curl out. I have found that if you're not careful, it could brush the curl out of your lashes, but if you're gentle, you don't tug too hard, once they're clean enough and you put them back on the little lash card, it will help to form them back to their original glory. So now I'm just using my little comb here. You might end up losing a lash, but it might also just be one that you ripped out of your own head. You start at the bottom edge of the lash and then you work up to the top. You can see here there's like little mascara bits and glue bits. This isn't a fast process, but it does work. You just keep alternating between the spoolie and the comb. The comb is really important, I find. Most of the gunk and stuff I find is going to be on the underside of the lash because that's the part that touches your own lashes. So this lash solution is not an oil-based solution, I don't think, but it is quite gentle and very hydrating. So your lashes when you're done are not gonna look crunchy or crispy. They're not going to be heavy or greasy looking. They're going to dry perfect. They're going to look brand new. At this point too, that glue from all of your brushing with the spoolie and stuff is going to be very, very soft, and you can just with your fingers try to pinch off any extra glue on that band that might still be there. All right, these ones I think are done. These ones appear to be pretty clean. They actually look like they're almost dry, but you just want to make sure to give them enough time to really dry. Band is clear. There's no little mascara bits or glue bits anywhere in the lashes. They look nice and fluffy. But then what we're gonna do, so I have the original card that they came on. I made sure to wipe it off so that there's no bits on them from me putting used, not cleaned lashes back on the card. But you're just going to line it back up. And most times there will be enough kind of like memory in the lash that they will just sort of hold on to that little form. But what you can do, you could take a little bit of glue and put a dot on either side, maybe even one dot in the middle, 1, 2, 3, on the card just to hold the lash in place while it dries. I wouldn't recommend putting a whole line of glue because that's just a waste of time. Don't bother doing that. You can just to kind of tack it on there so that it holds its shape. Here I'm going to do another one. This one does not have an Invisiband. This is a lash by Estate, so it has the more firm band. Gently pull off any glue balls. Now I'm going to lay her on my finger and use the spoolie to brush the underside. Brush and comb. This is thrilling, huh? Really the secret is in the solution that you use to clean them with. I've got a clean cotton round. I wouldn't recommend soaking your lashes in anything. You can do that, but I don't find that it's helpful to get them that wet. You know, you don't want to have to just start from zero with these lashes because you got too aggressive in cleaning them. Be really careful when you're pulling the glue off of the corners. This is where you really can shred a lash on accident. Okay, well, this one seems pretty clean. And I'm gonna put her back on her original card. Hopefully she'll stick. Yep. There we go. And then when she dries, she'll dry back in her original little form. I also have saved these little bits. You know, I save all these so that every once in a while I can go crazy and do bottom lashes. And you can clean them the same way. You know, you just pull off the glue. You could use tweezers to remove the glue, just gotta be really careful about that. Yeah, and I don't think this one's even got any makeup on it, but I'm gonna give it a nice little brush anyways, just to make sure that there's no cooties on there, no germs. What you could do, just to make sure that these are clean, you know, these do go near your eyes, so you wanna be careful about that. I would recommend maybe a a spray hand sanitizer, like a spritz. Once you have them all cleaned, you could give them a little spray, and that alcohol in the spray will help to sanitize those lashes. Taking care of your lashes will prolong the use of them. It's gonna save you money, and sometimes you just fall in love with one pair of lashes, you know? Even when the styles are the same, sometimes they look slightly different. You know what I'm talking about? So you could have a pair of Ardell 858s, and then you get another pair and they're like fluffier and prettier and wispier, and you just prefer those. If you take care of your lashes, they will last a long time. You can use them over and over and over again. It's perfectly safe for you and your eyes, and why not reuse your stuff, you know? If you wear a pair of lashes one time and throw them away, that's okay too. It's your money.
Now you got a few strips, but you know what? If you want more than this, do that, because that's your business.
So I'm just gonna let this roll, I guess, and keep cleaning these lashes until I have them all done. Alexa, play Fist City by Loretta Lynn.
Here's Fist City by Loretta Lynn on Amazon Music.
I'm obsessed with this song right now, you guys.
Better close your face and stay out of my way if you don't want to go to Fist City.
You guys, Loretta Lynn is a savage. Can't tell me any different. Alright, those are done. If you don't want to go to Fist City. Alexa, is Loretta Lynn still alive?
Loretta Lynn is still alive. She is 89 years old.
I bet she'd still take your ass to Fist City if you wouldn't lay off her man. Okay, that is it. So just a little bit of gentle brushing, a little bit of patience. Put on a podcast or catch up on Netflix or YouTube while you're doing it, and before you know it, you're done. The star of the show really is this Lash Clean by Velour and this spoolie comb combo also by Velour. I will make sure to link this down below. Those look brand new. No crusties, the band is clean, perfect. Same thing here, and I even cleaned off those little bits so that I could use those again. To sanitize your lashes, you could just give them a quick spritz of hand sanitizer. Make sure that that is completely dry before you put it on your eyes. And I mean, they're ready to go. Your lashes could last you a really long time if you're willing to just give it a little bit of effort, and you can save a lot of money. Like I said, I'll make sure to link everything down in the description box. If you have any lash care tips and tricks, make sure you share those down in the comments too. I would love to hear from you. Thank you so much for hanging out today and for watching this video. I really appreciate it. If you want to see more videos like this one, then make sure you subscribe to this channel before you leave today if you are not already. I upload new videos here on YouTube every week, and you can follow me on most of the other socials as well. I think that's it for now. I'll catch you next time in the next video. Bye! Is there gonna be enough footage for this to be its own video? I don't know. Day's video. I love it. I love it so much. So this is not a fast process. It's kind of like washing your brushes. You know what I mean? It's a necessary evil. You gotta do it. I don't know what's in here. Hopefully this isn't focused. I don't feel like it is. Base of the lash. Can you see? Is this? I have two cameras going today. I'm very sophisticated.
But the man I love, when he picks up trash, he puts it in a garbage can.